everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on another commission. This time it's on a 36" by 36" canvas, which is 91 centimeters by 91 centimeters. And funny enough, this commission, she wanted the same colors as my last commission, which are white, black, and silver. So I'm going to start that right away. And I mixed my colors with 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. That's my ratio. A little bit of water, like 1 teaspoon in it, and that's it. I've got my hairdryer that I use, well used. It's a Croc. It's called a Croc, and a Croc hybrid. And I use this all the time. It's fabulous, great nozzle and good power. I keep it on a cool setting and on a low setting when I'm blowing. And you can see the link in my description area if you want to see more about it. So here we go. Wish me luck. So I used up about 3 16-ounce cups of paint, and the paint is mixed with Floetrol, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, 1 teaspoon of water. So the white was an Artist Loft, the black was Liquitex, and the silver is Art Deco. When you start to blow, keep in mind the pattern that you want in your head, the end vision. You need to work towards that. Remember also to keep your setting on cool. You do not want to heat the paint. It will form a skin, and you definitely don't want that. The main reason for having a vision in your head before you start is that you don't want to overmix the paint. You lose a lot of pattern and detail when you overmix, and you definitely don't want that. It'll just be a big mess. I sing next. Let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Okay, here it is from my side, and I love it. So different from the last one that I created. This one has more silver in it, but still the black, white, silver theme. I think she's gonna love it. It's got so many beautiful details. Look at that. That's just with Floetrol and water. That's it. Those beautiful cells. So I'm gonna let this dry. It probably will take 2 or 3 days, and then I will show you, and I'll show you even outside if I can, what it looks like when it's dry. So keep watching. I'll be back in just 1 second. And here it is outside, and I love the way it turned out. It dried perfectly. Look at those gorgeous details. Now you may see a bit of a shine because I did already varnish it. And off camera I did paint this in. Felt it needed it. Beautiful focal point there. But it is a beautiful piece, and I think she's gonna love it. I hope she's gonna love it. Click on the link you see now to see more of my fluid pours. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Check out my new Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts, and Pours. The link is in the description area below.